Ooh, this person tricked themselves into loving exercise. How do you trick yourself? It's like a magic trick. Pull it out of a hat, grab it out of a hat, and ooh, I like to exercise. Maybe. All right. Everyone, let's be real. I used to hate working out. I actually did too. The thought of running, lifting weights, or doing a workout class made me cringe. Always felt like fitness was something that people were good at, and I was doomed to sit on the sidelines. You and a lot of other people. Here's a twist. Been constantly working out for a few months now, actually enjoying it. It's not because I magically became a fitness guru, but I found a way to trick myself into liking it. Step one, here's how it went down. So they stopped calling it exercise. Okay, I can't actually click into this because it'll mess up the whole recording, but we'll just go with their first step. They stopped calling it exercise, and we'll kind of go from there. So the word exercise felt heavy, so I reframed it to movement. I love this. The way I look at exercise, and one of the big things, two here, we'll give you two main ways that I reframed exercise in my mind to help make it feel less like exercise. I actually started calling it something different too. My idea of exercise now is just going in to do structured play with weights. So I like weight training. I usually do weight training in a form where it kind of raises my heart rate, so it gets some cardio in there too. But yeah, I don't really call it exercise that much either. It's usually just a time for me to go move, a time for me to explore movement, kind of like this individual too. Movement. I freaking love that. Guys, exercise is literally just time out of your day where you are saying you are going to take specific time to be purposeful with your movement, saying, I'm going to take a block, a chunk out of my time to move. How do you move? Maybe some walking, maybe some weights, yoga, stretching, bike riding, shooting some hoops, kicking around a soccer ball. All those are forms of movement. That's great. Another thing that I always do too is when I'm not feeling like quote unquote exercising is to really lower the bar on what I'm going to do for that day. So if I have in mind that I'm going to do like my normal workout, let's say I'm going to do some squats, some bench press, pull downs, whatever, just the whole gamut of a full body routine, and I'm not feeling like it, I will literally tell myself, just go in and do what you can, and actually mean it. And I actually mean it to the point where if I go in and literally all I do is a set of squats and I'm like, nope, I'm done for the day, that's fine. That's the mindset I have when going in. And I'll tell you how many times that actually happens when I go in and just do a set of squats and I'm done. Barely ever. Barely ever. Most of the time, just going in and setting the bar really, really low, I will come out of it and actually just start building on the progress. But ripping off the Band-Aid and just starting something is usually the biggest hump with people. So if you're struggling to get in with exercise, in addition to renaming it, set the bar so low. Literally tell yourself, I'm just going to go in and do some stretches. And if that's all I do today, that's fine. But actually mean it. Actually mean it. Feel it in your body and bones, because a lot of times people will say that and then they'll do something and then they'll feel bad if they actually don't do anything else. So that's kind of the caveat here. So yeah, I couldn't get the person's full scoop, but we did get some good points to talk to you about kind of getting over that hump and making exercise feel less like exercise.